guys, what's going on? Turtleplay is back again with another VoiceMod tutorial. Today we'll be doing Springtrap, and just before we get into it, I want to thank all of you for 184 subscribers. Thank you all so much once again. Without further ado, let's hit. Alright, for Springtrap, you're going to need 6 things. The resonator, wah-wah, reverb, pitch, chorus, and equalizer. 6 simple things, and I'm gonna go slowly through each number so you can just stay on VoiceMod. For resonator, we'll need a mix of 44, a time of 49, feedback of 10, and volume 100. Moving on down, we have wah-wah. For the mix, you are going to need 29, frequency 23, type 33. You can pause if I'm going too fast. And yeah, don't forget you can also click on the numbers and then type them in yourself and not have to fine tune with the little bars. Alright, moving on to reverb. You need a mix of 25 and a room size of 39. Moving right back on down for pitch. Mix 100, pitch 41, humanize off. Down one more, chorus. Mix of 29, frequency of 49, depth of 9, and pan of 50. And for the final one here, we have equalizer. It's a long one, so get ready. Mix 100, low frequency 100, gain low frequency 50, mid frequency 100, gain mid frequency 100, high frequency 50, gain high frequency 50. That's all you need. That's all you can always edit them if you think you found something that sounds better. Be my guest. I encourage this. Let's get around to the testing phase, and you can all say it's crap because it most likely is.
I hate this place. I hate having to dwell in this suit. I hate that the suit still tries to speak. And most of all, I hate that people don't come here anymore. You see, there was a fire in Freddy Fazbear's pizza place. It was shut down indefinitely. But I came back. I am cursed to forever walk through these ruins. I can't die. Hoping someone will come here so I can kill again.
Alright, so that was Springtrap. Tell me how I did in the comments. I think I did okay. Yeah. Again, you can change anything about it to make it your own, to make it sound better. You do need a little bit of voice acting. Mine is absolutely garbage, but you know, you do need a little bit of voice acting. If you did enjoy this video, please consider liking it. If you didn't, dislike it all the same, you know. Some people like them, some people don't. You don't win them all. Have a great rest of your morning, afternoon, or evening, and goodbye.